dear ones. How are you all? I know you all are fine and playing and exercising to keep yourself fit, right? And nowadays IPL is going on, means Indian Premier League. And this time they are playing in Dubai. So today I am going to brief you about IPL. Like how many teams in IPL, what are the names of their teams, and how IPL teams are selected. There are 8 teams in IPL and now मैं आपको टीम्स के नेम, कैप्टन नेम्स और टीम के प्लेयर्स के पिक्चर्स दिखाऊंगी.
First team is Royal Challengers Bangalore Players RCB, and the captain of the team is Virat Kohli. Second team is Mumbai Indians Players MI, and the captain of the team is Rohit Sharma. Third team is Chennai Super Kings Players CSK, and the captain of the team is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Fourth team is Delhi Capitals Players DC, and the captain of the team is Shreyas Iyer. Fifth team is Kings 11 Punjab Players K11P, and the captain of the team is KL Rahul. Sixth team is Kolkata Knight Riders Players KKR, and the captain of the team is Dinesh Karthik. Seventh team is Rajasthan Royals Players RR, and the captain of the team is Steve Smith. Eighth team is Sunrisers Hyderabad Players SRH, and the captain of the team is David Warner. These are all the 8 IPL teams. In IPL, we have 20 overs for playing, right? And in 1 over, we have 6 balls to play. सबसे पहले IPL में 2 टीम के बीच में टॉस होता है. जो 2 टीम्स खेलने वाली होती है, उन दोनों टीम्स के कैप्टन्स ग्राउंड पे आते हैं और उन दोनों के बीच में टॉस होता है. जिस टीम के कैप्टन वो टॉस जीतता है, वो डिसाइड करता है कि उसकी टीम पहले बैटिंग करेगी या तो फिर बॉलिंग करेगी. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोविड सिचुएशन, इस बार IPL के सारे मैचेस विदाउट ऑडियंस खेले जा रहे हैं.
Do you know how the players are selected in IPL teams? Players are selected by their performance. Players अपनी परफॉर्मेंस के हिसाब से टीम में सिलेक्ट होते हैं. Do you know one thing about Mahendra Singh Dhoni? He is known as the king of IPL. Do you know why? Because he is the most successful captain in IPL. महेंद्र सिंह धोनी ने अपनी टीम चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स को इस तरीके से गाइड किया कि चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स 8 टाइम्स IPL फाइनल तक पहुंची और 3 टाइम्स IPL फाइनल जीत कर भी आई. Now, I think you have got some basic information about IPL. So keep watching IPL. Keep yourself fit. Bye.